Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm taking on the challenge of getting paid just for sharing my thoughts. Let's see if I can make some cash by simply voicing my opinions. Cool, isn't it? You know, I'm so excited to explore this world where our opinions can be worth real money. The trend of paid surveys and market research is growing, and it's an amazing opportunity for all of us to capitalize on our thoughts and experiences. I'm sure many of us have thought about sharing our opinions online, but we often dismiss the idea thinking it won't lead to any real financial benefits. But let's be honest, who doesn't want to earn some extra cash in their spare time? The problem is, we're often skeptical about the legitimacy of these opportunities or worry that they're just scams. We've all heard those horror stories about data breaches or fake offers, and it's reasonable to be cautious. However, I've come across so many people who have successfully made money by sharing their opinions, and it's not just a few bucks here and there. They're actually making a decent income from it. So, what's the hesitation? I think it's because many of us have this misconception that our opinions aren't valuable, or that no one would actually pay for them. But that's just not true. Brands and researchers are constantly looking for real people with real opinions to help them improve their products and services. They need our feedback to make informed decisions, and they're willing to pay for it. So, if you're willing to share your thoughts, you can earn some serious cash. There are so many ways to get paid for your opinions nowadays. You can take online surveys, participate in focus groups, or even engage with brands on social media. Some websites will even pay you just to watch videos or review products. It's crazy how many opportunities are out there, and they're all just a few clicks away. For instance, I've used websites like User Testing, where I get paid to review websites and apps. Or, I'll participate in online focus groups with brands that are looking for feedback on their new products. It's really easy, and the money adds up quickly. I've even gotten paid for sharing my opinions on social media, which is basically just being myself online. I want to share a story with you about someone who's had an incredible experience with paid surveys. Her name is Sarah, and she's made over $10,000 in the past year just from taking surveys and participating in online focus groups. She's a stay-at-home mom, and this extra income has allowed her to pay off her student loans and even start saving for her kids' education. What I love about Sarah's story is that it's not just about the money. It's about the flexibility and freedom that comes with being able to earn money from anywhere, at any time. She can take surveys during nap time or participate in focus groups during her lunch break. It's amazing, and it's something that's accessible to all of us. The key takeaway from all of this is that sharing your thoughts can indeed lead to financial rewards. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it does require some effort, but the payoff can be significant. So, I want to hear from you. Have you had any experiences with paid surveys or online focus groups? What's worked for you, and what hasn't? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about maximizing your earnings from sharing your opinions, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll share some top tips and tricks to get you started. Remember to subscribe and like our channel if you are satisfied with our work. It will not cost you a thing to subscribe, but will mean a great deal to us. Thank you for watching.